In the ashes of post-war Germany, the nation's roads were broken, the economy shattered, and fuel was a luxury. Yet from these harsh conditions came one of the most charming and rarest microcars ever made, the champion CH-2. The story begins with Hermann Holbein, a former BMW engineer and racing driver. After the war, he traded his beloved BMW 327 for an Opel army truck to haul scrap metal. But racing remained in his blood. Soon, Holbein rebuilt a damaged BMW 328 and began competing again, successfully. Still, racing could not pay the bills. The country needed affordable transport, and Holbein had an idea. In 1949, teaming up with Albert Meyer of the gear manufacturer ZF, Holbein brought his idea to life. Using parts sourced from post-war German industries, they created the champion CH-2, a tiny roadster, just 2.8 meters long, with 3 wheels and a narrow, streamlined body that looked part spaceship, part motorcycle. Under the rear hood sat a 248 cubic centimeter, single-cylinder, 2-stroke Triumph engine producing 6.5 horsepower. It was not built for speed, but it was light, maneuverable, and economical. Just what a recovering country needed. The body was originally styled in sleek aluminum, but this proved too expensive. Instead, Holbein shaped a more practical version using curved flat sheets and motorcycle fenders. The result was simple, yet full of character, featuring a Cyclops single headlamp and exposed rear engine. Parts came from all over Germany, transmissions from clockmakers Hortz, lighting from Hella, tires from Continental, hubs from Schleicher, and more. Even the car's final assembly was done by former aircraft builders. It was a true collaboration of post-war ingenuity. But like many early creations, the CH-2 had its problems. The initial gearbox, borrowed from a lawnmower, was unreliable. Suspension issues followed. Rather than ignore these problems, Holbein took the bold step of recalling and upgrading the cars he had already sold, a rare move at the time, and one that earned public trust. In March 1950, the model evolved into the champion CH-250 with a more powerful engine, windshield upgrades, and improved suspension. It would later inspire the elegant Champion 400 Coupe and the practical Myco 500 sedan. Only about 11 units of the Champion CH-2 were ever built. Today, just 2 are believed to survive, making it one of the rarest microcars in the world. The Champion CH-2 is not just a vehicle. It is a symbol of resilience, creativity, and the dream of mobility in a time when the world had to start over. If you love unique cars like this one, make sure to hit that subscribe button. More weird and wonderful automotive stories are coming your way, and you will not want to miss them.